water. Refreshing. This is Jamaica. Me comfy, apply for your job. Wait, where you come from? Tivoli, sorry. Check back later.
Oh man.
This is Jamaica.
Let's get it.
Tax would have kill we. And if you try to talk up, them put you in a jail. Hey, what going on, Addy? Me at 20,
Big boy.
and still wear brief.
Boxer.
Nah, on a tissue,
No.
you sleeve. We not buy clothes. We thief.
Oh.
This is Jamaica.